How to ship internationally on DHL. So if you want to ship internationally on DHL, then simply go ahead, go to your mobile phone and first open up your mobile's browser. So I'll be here with Chrome browser. Go for the search bar and then type in dhl.com and it will have this kind of interface. It will open a price. What you will have to do is you'll have to make sure that you're logged in over here, and if you have not logged in, then you need to create your account and then you need to log into your account, and then you can just create a shipment. So you will have this option right here. Tap on create a shipment and then you can choose your country or your territory. Simply choose your country and then tap on language and choose your language. And once you've done that, tap on next, which is on the bottom of your screen. So here another interface will open up where you can simply go ahead and track your package as well. So that will be really useful for you guys to get for your international shipping. And then you can go, as since you're doing an international, then you can see above, you can simply read for the international shipping. You will have to access My DHL Plus through your desktop or through your laptop. So for the international shipping, this is a must, and you can simply go ahead and access it with a DHR Plus website and simply place your shipping information right here. So that's it. Once you enter your shipping information, you'll be ready to ship internationally on DHL. So that's it. That's how you can ship internationally on DHL. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.